I'm out here at Anglesey. I didn't actually plan on coming on these tracks. I was just going to go for a ride the back way to Lorne. But yeah, I'm here on the Triumph Tiger. I've never actually had it off-road before. I am finding the limitations already because there's not much ground clearance, and I've hit that sump a couple of times. Alright, I'm heading down here. The power station's just over there. Let's see if I can get down this hill without crashing. I might actually take it out of ABS. Got to go in the mode, setup. Says ABS off. So it is pretty annoying. Alright, so I can make it down this hill without crashing. See, last time we come down here it was pretty damn wet. I would not attempt this in the wet. Trouble is, if I go down here, I've got to continue on. Well, I've got to go Old Ice Row track, which I know it's got some nasty rutted out hills. We'll go the boundary track around our Koa boundary track. I'm already feeling the weight, the bike. Okay, we should be right. I've been wanting to try this bike out for ages. What it can do and what it can't do. Especially when I hit the sand. I've got 50-50 tyres on it. I reckon I'm going to find out how heavy it is today when I have to lift it up. I could go left and get out of here, but that'd be too easy. Okay. The bike feels quite nimble enough. I'm used to actually riding the DR650, which is actually feels more top heavier than this. I know if I go around the boundary track there's going to be a bit of sand. It's only one way to get the hang of it though, isn't there? Just got to remember, it's not a racing bike. I was quite nervous actually bringing this on the dirt. I have not got my proper boots on, and the foot pegs are digging into my wheel arches of my feet. She's got plenty of power, man. The power's awesome. Looks like there's been a bit of a burn off through here. Those trees are black. Whew. I reckon I might have actually enjoyed the XC model, the off-road version. So when I bought this bike I had no intentions of really doing this sort of stuff on it. It was just meant for gravel roads. There's going to be a bit of sand around here. I am on my own today as well, so luckily it's like the surface is not actually too bad today. I can feel that centre stand bashing around on the swing arm. Chuck it in third and just keep a bit of power on. Try to get over this sand. Oh, she's doing it alright. It's not real deep sand. It feels alright. It's a little bit more compact today. A little rocky section. Nice, not too bad. A little bit more sand. I don't want to get overconfident because, oh well, still a little bit of more rough shit down here to do. There's another sandy section up ahead. See how blue the water is today. Hopefully one day they open that up to the public, make it a recreation area. Okay, another sandy section. Oh, yep, I feel a frame going out there. This is a little washy. Not far from the dirt road now. Big hump. Oh, a couple of whoopies. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be doing some launching it off some big jumps. Going to go fast through these sandy sections. I'm getting quite numb hands from doing the death grip. Slow down. Something is really clunking when I power it on. Alright, we're back out to the dirt road. That wasn't too bad. I never felt like I was actually going to go down there any time then. Alright, I'm going to now follow the dirt roads, the back roads to Lorne, where I will have lunch.